To make stained glass in Minecraft on the PS5, start by gathering the necessary materials, which include glass and dye of your preferred color. You can obtain glass by smelting sand in a furnace, and dye can be found in various forms throughout the game, such as from flowers, mushrooms, or by trading with villagers. First, open your crafting table and arrange 8 glass blocks around the edges of the crafting grid, with the center square left empty. Next, place a dye of your chosen color in the center square. The color of the dye will determine the color of the stained glass, so choose accordingly. Once you have arranged the materials, click on the stained glass to add it to your inventory. You can now use the stained glass to create beautiful and colorful structures, from intricate windows to stunning works of art. To get the most out of your stained glass, consider using it in combination with other materials, such as glowstone or sea lanterns, to create unique lighting effects. You can also use stained glass to add a touch of elegance to your buildings, or to create complex and intricate designs. When working with stained glass, keep in mind that it is non-solid, meaning that mobs and players can pass through it. This makes it ideal for creating decorative features, such as windows or partitions, without obstructing movement. By following these steps and experimenting with different colors and designs, you can unlock the full creative potential of stained glass in Minecraft on the PS5. With its unique aesthetic and versatility, stained glass is a great way to add a personal touch to your Minecraft world and make it truly stand out.